I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands,
Beautiful
turn
people.
around now and dance,
Welcome.
dance,
I
dance.
love the energy. Yes, go. Round of applause. That's it. Love the energy so early in the morning. Welcome to our Creme of Nature Masterclass. My name is Sam, and I'm going to be talking to you all things hair, curls, and confidence. But before we begin, I have two incredible ladies joining me on stage. Let's please give a great big round of applause to Masego and Khanya, our Creme of Nature squad ladies. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so ladies, before we dive into all that is Creme of Nature, and we're going to be talking about Creme of Nature in detail today. You know, at Creme of Nature, we believe that hair is not just an accessory to our beauty, right? It is our crown, it is our confidence, and it is our connection to who we are, right? We are rooted in our radiance. So before we dive into all that is rooted in radiance with Creme of Nature, I want to ask our two beautiful Creme of Nature squad ladies two questions, right? Maybe Khanya, I'll start with you. What is your earliest childhood memory of having your hair done? Perhaps it's a look that your mom or your gran did once upon a time that's kind of just stuck with you. But do you want to share with us what that is?
Hi everyone. I remember going to the salon with my mom, just wanting to be her. And although I was a restless child and I hated doing my hair, I would look at myself with the tears in my eyes after doing my braids and just loving how I felt. So that's my earliest memory of doing my hair.
Amazing, amazing. Let's go to Masego.
So my mother is Japanese and has hair that's completely different to mine. So actually my earliest memory of getting my hair done was my creche teacher called Popo. During break times, she would sit and do my hair and then all the other kids would just watch. And so that's my earliest memory.
Amazing. I think let's throw it out to the audience. What is your, and there might be some spot prizes, you guys know how we work. What is your earliest memory with your mom or your gran or your aunt of getting your hair done? Can we get a mic there? Sorry, okay. Here we go. I think that was a hand up first and then at the back.
Hi, mine was when I was about 5 years old, and I was going to be flower bought to my aunt. And I had very long hair, and I needed to have curls. So it was piece by piece, like wet my hair, roll it in brown paper,
In brown paper, okay.
right to the top, and I had to it steepen. And then next time we woke up, I can brown paper, and I'd have all these beautiful curls.
Amazing. Round of applause for that story. I think that deserves a prize. Let's pull that beautiful story about how we connected into our heritage and our history because of our hair. There was one more at the back, so I'm going to take one more. The lady in the red and... Thanks, Vanessa.
Hello everyone. My childhood memory is when I was still at primary school. At Sundays, my mother would wash my hair, then I had to go play and it would dry. Then late Sunday, she would phone me, Kylie! Then I know that she will come and do my hair now. I used to hate that call because I know a scum now.
I love that. Round of applause. I think, wash day routine is always a special routine, and I love that you said on Sundays also, because that's everyone's wash day. Way before self-care Sundays were even a thing. I think we were looking at a wash day. So I think let's lock into the next part. We want to talk about locking in to locks. Now, who in the audience knows their curl type? Because we do have curl types. I think there's a hand up there in the black dress.
So my curl type is 3A.
3A, very good. Well done. Round of applause because she's definitely getting a prize for that. That's the correct answer. I'll take the lady behind. Yeah.
My cold type is C2.
C2. 2C. 2C, yes. I even confused myself there for a minute. Yes, so we do. We have our curl types range from 2ABC, 3ABC, and then 4ABC. So that's from a very sort of slightly waved, almost, not fully curled, not a tight coil, just a wave, to your 4C types, which of course are your very, very tight curls. So when it comes to our curl types, Creme of Nature actually has a range between our pure honey as well as our argan oil range that caters for all of your beautiful hair leads. So whether you have a slight wave or a kink, or whether you've got a very, very tight coil, Creme of Nature will actually take care of those for you. So, to Khanya, let me ask you a quick question. What would you say is your favorite product when it comes to braid maintenance? Because I did say we can do this for all, you can use Creme of Nature for all styles, whether you're rocking sleek hair, your hair's relaxed, whether you're curl training your hair, there's something for everyone. So for braid maintenance, what would be your favorite?
My favorite would be the Strength and Shine foaming mousse from the argan oil range, Creme of Nature argan oil range, because I love a braid with a curl and it just keeps them maintained and hydrated, and I love it.
We can see that. We can see that. You like a braid with a curl. Beautiful. And then to Masego, I think, what's your go-to product for keeping your everyday curls popping?
Okay, so my go-to is the Pure Honey Breakup with Breakage leave-in conditioner. I love a leave-in anything, to be honest. And it helps keep my hair hydrated throughout the day.
Okay, amazing. So whether you're rocking braids, your protective styles, whether you want to wear your natural curly hair or your natural 4C hair, come and discover with Creme of Nature what you can find. So moving on to scalp care. Okay, I think somehow we've forgotten about scalp care. Do you remember the phrase scalp care is hair care? You do know this phrase? Our mothers always told us that good hair or healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, right? So today, I'm going to actually demo some of our tips and tricks around how to take care of your scalp, because your scalp care is really where the hair grows from. We have all these myths about, if I chop my hair, it's going to grow faster, but your hair grows from your scalp. And if you have a healthy scalp, that means you're going to have healthy hair. So let us move on. Khanya, I'm going to invite you to be my model. Let's move that there. So one of the things I really, really love, and a great time for our 4C ladies, anyone that is wearing braids, is when you are wearing your braid, you have direct access to the scalp, right? So it's the best time for you to do scalp care. So I'm going to be I'll show you how you can do a quick refresh whilst you are wearing braids. This is not only for when you're wearing braids. If you're doing your monthly intensive treatment, I'll show you also for Khanya for Masego when we get there, what we would use. So I'm using the invigorating scalp oil from Creme of Nature. This one is cooling, it's refreshing. It actually has a little bit of mint, so it's stimulating. The trend all around is a lot of rosemary and a lot of the castor oils, but we're using 100% argan oil in our products. With this one, again, like I said, we do have some aloe as well, so it soothes your scalp. I've not even opened it. There we go, sorry. So what I like to do is you would part the hair in different stages and you just gently massage it into your scalp. Now, ladies, for those of you that have braid install, what is first day of braid install like? It's tight. It's got us doing this, right? When we've got our first day of install. This is an incredible product to be using on your first day of install because, like I said, it's going to cool. It also promotes hair growth. So as you work, you would just glide down, dispersing a small amount of product, work it into the scalp, right? So this is if you're not yet ready to take your braids out, but you still want to maintain, of course, your scalp care. Any questions on this one? No? We're going quiet. Thank you. Okay, yes, I'll take a question. Oh, sorry. I don't know.
I actually have a question. Is it recommendable to first hydrate with water, like something more liquidy, maybe foam or a spray and then oil it afterwards?
So with this product, you don't need to. You don't need to wet your hair. You don't need to do any of that. It does not allow product buildup. Like I said, we're using ingredients that don't build up on the scalp. So with this one, you can use it straight away. Sometimes individuals like to just take a warm towel or a face cloth and warm it up and work through the scalp. It just depends on where in the stage of your braid maintenance you are doing this. Another thing you can do is if you also just wanted to refresh your braid, you could also use your curling mousse as well and pair that with this as well. So no need for, because it's almost like waterless cleansing, right? There's no need for water to be applied onto the scalp at all with this one. You use it straight on.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, I'm just that back. Okay, so round of applause to Khanya, first of all. Thank you for being our model. Masego. Okay, so one of our absolute faves that we love at Creme of Nature is, of course, Perfect 7. So, who wants to guess Masego's curl type? There's one here.
3C.
Very good. Round of applause. 3C, she's correct, right? She has got a 3C curl type. And again, I want to show you the versatility of our Creme of Nature and pure argan and pure honey ranges. So for Masego, let's go this side. I'll just take one strand out and I'm going to show you. So Perfect 7 has your 7-in-1 benefits. I'm not going to go through all of them with you today. Please visit our stand to find out more and to come and try them. What you do is, and especially for the ladies who like to do curl training, we've all seen the curl training, right? When we're doing this, right? And we're doing this. So if you need that extra bit, for Masego, she's got a beautiful curl and coil to her hair. So all we need is definition. So what I like to do is just, instead of spraying it, I'm not going to spray it on her hair directly, although you can. I'll disperse a little bit of product into my fingers. And then as you work your way through your curls, again, you can do whatever curl technique. I know, Instagram is full of them, but whatever curl technique you know and you like to use. And what that will do, it does have a slightly setting effect as well, is it will just give definition to her curl, right? So if you like to scrunch it, and it will actually hold your curls in place. So for summertime, all my curly ladies, you definitely want to make sure you're using something like Perfect 7. Okay. Another product I would also suggest is, let's go with the Pure Honey, is the Pure Honey Moisture and Twist Curling Mousse. It's this product over here. This is, of course, a mousse-like product. I'll show you. Okay, so that's what it dispenses. Very lightweight, but the key for us and our main objective in Creme of Nature is hydration. Okay, so many of us women are suffering with dehydrated hair. So for us, we want to make sure that we hydrate the hair. Curling mousse is, again, that perfect addition. I'm just going to come this side to, again, just scrunch it into your hair. If you've got braids, you can also use this, right? So you can also use it to just refresh your braids as well. So again, I'm not pulling on the hair. I'm not trying to detangle. I'm working with the natural curl, just scrunching it up. And again, like I said, your mousse is sort of your everyday light wear. It's important to remember that with mousse, you do need to have that when you're using conditioner on a regular basis, you will find that the conditioner will start to build up on the hair. So then you've got to do clarifying shampoos, etc. Instead of doing a lot of conditioning where you're building and building and building, because conditioners soften, use something like a mousse, okay? Because it is a lot more sort of lightweight. There we go. So those are just some examples. Thank you. Round of applause to Masego. Okay, I think we've got a few more questions just before we go into closing, because I know you're all excited for some more spot prizes. Let me ask you, who of you knows when Nomzamo Mbata officially became the brand ambassador for Creme of Nature? Take a guess.
Who's got
No one's asking for a clue? I'll tell you, it's this year.
Is it 2025?
It is 2025. Give me a month.
Oh, a clue.
No, that was the clue. 2025 was the clue.
if we are in October, November, I'm going to guess it was in H2, which means the first 6 months, which means it's not a month.
I feel like I'm going to a what is this? Fortune teller. She's reading my eyes.
Totally. I'm going to guess, how's about March?
No.
Ah.
She said,
June 2025 is correct. Congratulations. Let's get your spot prize to you. But well done. and almost getting there. Khanya, I think this question is for you to ask for the audience.
Oh, it's another spot prize. Who can name 2 Creme of Nature products that are great for scalp care?
Scalp care. Who is paying attention?
Let me just try it. I think all of your products are good for the scalp care. So I love the Perfect 7. Let's go with that. And then the honey mousse, I guess.
And the
That's
second
more
one?
calls the mousse, the honey.
The mousse?
Yeah. And then the Perfect 7. Those are the only products I can remember now. And that oil, yes.
And that oil.
argan oil.
that one, right?
Yeah, it's had argan oil in it basically, and so the argan oil is good for the scalp. And with the mint, I think there's mint in as well, which stimulates also.
Okay, she's given us enough. Well done. I'm going to give it to you. Invigorating scalp oil, yes. We also have our incredible product, which is 100% argan oil, which is our oil treatment. This is the one I said that we didn't demonstrate, but this one we all love. Back in the day, you know, our moms used to tell us, do an oil treatment once a month. Can we bring that back? Can we normalize oil treatments for scalp care once a month? I think, Masego, you have a question.
I want to ask, and who can name at least 3 curl types, which Samantha did already tell us. So
There's a lot of hands now. I'll take hands. Oh, he's going to the back now.
3 curl patterns.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2A, 2B, 2C.
Yeah? Do you want to keep going? Okay, leave it for let's do the next 3 for the next person.
4A, 4B, 4C.
Very good. Is that it? Oh, is there more coming? Yeah, that's it. Okay, perfect. Then just in closing, firstly, thank you all for celebrating and coming to join us at our Creme of Nature Masterclass this morning. I love the energy. Thank you for your engagement. I think a big shout out to our Creme of Nature squad, to Masego and to Khanya. Round of applause, ladies, for them. Please, can you join us at the Creme of Nature stand where you will receive hair consultations, hair touch-ups, and of course, lots of giveaways. So make sure that you visit our stand. And thank you, everyone. For those of you, gather your prizes, and then we've got some goodie bags for all of you for being here.
Thank you so much.
Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands. Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands. Turn around.